The Lewis dot structure of carbonate. So, the Lewis dot structure is basically just showing how many electrons that an element has in its outermost shell, or its valence shell. So, for carbonate, we have a carbon, that's not what I wanted to do. We have a carbon, which has 4 electrons in its outermost shell, and we have oxygen, which has 6 electrons in its outermost shell. But CO3 is 3 oxygens. We're adding these together. And it also has a charge of -2. So really we're just adding 2. Don't know why I put that. So altogether we should have 24 electrons. So we start out with a carbon in the middle, and then we have oxygens around it, 3 oxygens, and then we bond them. A dash represents a bonding of electrons. So now carbon has 4, and now it has 6. I know how to count, I do. And now it has 8. We're going to bond 2 so that everything can be nice and symmetrical. Now we give dots to represent the rest of the electrons. We need to make sure that the number of electrons is the same as our 24. So these little dots are all electrons. So now we have carbon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons, and now we have 3 oxygens with 8 electrons. And altogether we have altogether we should have 24. But we're not done yet. Now we have to put it in brackets. And the reason why we do this is to show that carbonate has a -2 charge. So we have 24 electrons, and we are done with carbonate. There's Lewis dot structure for you, and I'm out.